factoring a difference of squares. We're asked to factor this binomial, and we're told that it's a difference of squares, so we need the formula that applies for a difference of two squares. Difference of two squares means that we have a first term being squared minus a second term being squared, and those will always factor into the first term minus the second term and the first term plus the second term. So looking at this that we're asked to factor, let's see, is it something squared minus something else squared? So the first term, can I write it as one thing being squared? The 64v squared, I can rewrite that as an 8v quantity squared. That would give me the 64v squared. And the u squared I can just write as a u squared. So now we have written it as a difference because it's subtraction, and I do have two terms being squared. It's just that our a is 8v and our b is u. So using this formula up here and going this way, if my a were 8v and my b were u, then I would replace a with 8v and I would replace b with u, and I would have 8v minus u and then 8v plus u, and that would be our factored form. So rewriting it in this step right here is very helpful.